man, we no straight, baby. Oops, I done fell for your way, baby. I know, girl, but you don't know from the first time I see you, love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I will fall for you, you got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell so deep, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I done fell so deep, 'cause everyone falls in love sometime. I don't know about you, but it ain't the time. If you let me love you, love you, love you, love you for a long time.
Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can already tell by the title, we will be working with ILikeHair. So thank you to ILikeHair for sponsoring today's video. You guys, we will be installing this Kinky straight 13x4 HD lace frontal unit, and this unit is in 14 inches, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. And you guys, this wig just looks so good. Like you guys can see in the clips here, I was trying to show you guys as much as possible how realistic this hair looked. Like it was just amazing. Like I couldn't even believe it. So you guys can see on this frontal, I did bleach the knots. I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but I did bleach the knots. And bleaching the knots, I feel like really helped this unit blend in very seamlessly, which I love. Now we're gonna start installing this wig, you guys, and I was just too excited to install this wig, you guys, because I've never had a wig look this real, y'all. Like it was just so amazing, and it was crazy to me like how realistic the edges looked on here. So I did go for a no baby hair look, which I loved. I just feel like it gave it that more real natural look. So I'm just putting some powder on my cap, and I already put some on the wig. I believe that I used the Maybelline powder. I really don't remember, but I'm just using that all over my cap to kind of help give it a more, you know, the same color as my skin tone. So here I will be using my Wig Dealer wig grip gel. Now me personally, I'm not a big fan of using like lace glues like Ghost Bond. So I will be using this grip gel glue, and it works so good, y'all. Like I'm so happy with this product. I'll say with about maybe 2 layers of this product, your wig can probably last a good week and a half maybe, because you guys, this product is really good, and I recently just ordered it in the mail and I just love it so much. I'm just moving this wig up on my head, and I did not do the ball cap method. You guys know if you don't know, but I'm really not a big fan of the ball cap method, so a lot of times I really don't even do the ball cap method. So yeah. So here I'm just applying my wig to the glue, making sure everything is stuck. Now one of the problems I faced when installing this wig is that I did not cut the ear tabs off before applying the glue. I don't know why I didn't, but I think I just forgot, honestly. So here you guys will see me cutting off the ear tabs, basically measuring out where I want my wig to be. So now I will be cutting off all this extra lace because it honestly was just in the way. So I just went ahead and cut off all this extra lace because I want this wig, you guys, to just look so realistic. And I learned with cutting off the lace as much as you can is going to give it that scalp look. I'm just using my She Is Bomb wax stick to kind of flatten out this hair, because at first I thought I wanted to do just a middle part, but then I realized after applying this wig just how natural it looks, so I kind of just did like a free part, just letting the hair fall wherever it wanted to. And I also noticed with this hair, because it is kinky straight, I just feel like it doesn't look right in just like a perfect part. I just feel like you kind of just have to let the hair do whatever the hair wants to do, and it just looks so good. So yeah, so that's why I'm just using my hot comb, just flattening it out, because I didn't want it like really puffy in the roots. Just enough though, because like I said, with this hair texture, it is gonna have that natural blown out look. I decided last minute that I wanted to put some curls in this hair, so I will be using my bubble wand curler. I got this from Amazon. I forgot the name of it specifically, but if you guys would like, I will have it linked in my description box down below. Now, this hair did not hold a curl. That was the only sad part about it, but I felt like after curling this hair, it really gave it a more natural look, and it really made it seem very seamless. Like, it really looked like my natural hair blown out with some curls. Like, it would just look so good, you guys. Like, this wig was just so amazing. Like, I just love it so much. So at this point, we're basically done with this install, and y'all, look at these curls. They just look so good. So I just started cutting some layers in this hair. Now looking back on the footage, there really was no reason for me to cut layers in it, but I don't know. I just seen my scissors sitting there and I just started cutting my hair. I don't know why, but there really was no reason for this. I guess I wanted to put some layers in it. I don't know what I was trying to do, but yeah, this hair, you guys, just looks so good. Like, it literally looked like my hair. Like, this is not even a wig at this point. Notice on the hairline, the front pieces of the hair were kind of a little, what's the word I'm looking for? They just seemed a little too long and too close to my eyebrows. So I just went ahead with my razor again, just cutting off all that extra hair. And that was basically it, y'all. Like, this hairstyle was just so cute and I just loved it so much. So if you guys would like to purchase this amazing wig, y'all, because this wig is definitely a must-have, I will have all the information to this wig in my description box down below, as well as a coupon code, so you guys can use my code. I will have it on the screen, and you guys can get a percentage off for your next order with ILikeHair. And yeah, this wig, y'all, is just so amazing. Like, y'all need to go get this ASAP. But I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.